Hello everyone, so today I have my cat litter box for June. It's June, right? Yeah, it's June. And the theme is flamingo. I don't mind flamingos, but the shirt, they had a sneak peek for it and not into the shirt. But this is really cute. I'll keep this. I always keep the artwork, although that one's kind of messed up there, but that's okay. Then it's the sticker. Okay, let's get the slightly disappointing shirt out of the way first. Okay, so it says flocking fabulous, and this is what it looks like. I think the cat looks really dumb. Looks really dumb. Like, yeah, it's weird. It's weird. I'll still wear it, but it's weird. Okay. Tigger's already trying to get into this. Hey, stop it! Okay. Okay, next is set of luggage tags. It's in this cute box. I don't know if I'm going to use these because I don't go places. I rarely leave to go on vacation because I have separation anxiety from my cats. So, yeah. Hardly go on vacation. But anyways, the t-shirt retails for $22.99 and the cat lady luggage tags retails for $18.99. This is what they look like. They're cute. It's just, I don't really have a use for them. I might in the future. I don't know. Okay. Next is this. And open. A silicone kitty purse, and it retails for $11.99. It's cute. It's a color I like. It actually matches my bag, kinda. My bag is, this is more teal than blue, but my purse is blue. But anyways, yeah. I'll put my coins in here because my coins just kind of fly everywhere in my bag. So this is useful. I like this, and I forgot if I said the retail value. It's $11.99. But I will use that. And I will use the next item. Fred. Okay, well, one of the toys fell on the ground, and I don't know if one of the cats will come pick it up, so I might have to chase after them to get it back to show you guys. But this is a towel. Towels are useful. Even if it's a beach towel, I'll use it as a regular towel because I can. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Can't see if you can see it good or not. But yeah, has a kitty face with sunglasses on. It's nice size. Okay. Got the toy. Caught the postcard thing. The Cool Cat beach towel retails for $19.99. And this right here is a Jilly the Chili Pop catnip toy. It retails for $5.99. And in the picture it shows a purple one. It shows a purple one on this too, but I believe they could just come in assorted colors. Not sure, but I got a green. Well, I didn't get a green. My cat's got a green. Come on. No. No. You're too interested in the box. Oh, here comes Fuki. Okay, well, last but not least is the last toy that they have, and it is the Flamazing Flamingo Catnip toy, and it also retails for $5.99, and it looks like this. It has a crinkly in the neck. Fuki went and got the popsicle one. Anyone want this one? You like the crinkles? And Tigger has the flamingo one. So anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. Oh wait, no, it isn't the only thing I have for you guys. Whoops. I did an add-on, and it's the Cats Make the World a Better Place t-shirt. Because I've been wanting this one and finally just got it. So yeah. And I did not get it oversized this time like I did for the Cat Mom tattoo one. Because that is a dress on me, unfortunately. I'm going to figure out how to tailor that to fit me better. But anyways, now that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.